Well, at least it's a breeze today.
Mason was supposed to be here too, but I ain't seen him.
The sun might be scared of the noise.
Training aircraft for our armament. So yeah, we're watching them come down the show line here from Air Show Left. We got Greg Speaker tired coming down the show line right now. Right down in the deck at high speed review. How'd you like that, folks? Nice job out there by the team. Beautiful display. Yeah.
They're just so fast.
They just flew up as he went by. Pyrotechnics. I heard that the other day here in dinner at Myers. I seen smoke. I'm like, oh.
One of the other jet flyers, dude, they be watching your bus. You'll be sitting back here and you'll feel the heat before you even hear the sound.
It was just an explosion as he was going by. Pyrotechnics. By design.
Never used to do that.
No, it didn't.
Great set to be out the air.
Very unique plan.